Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the most jaw-dropping machines on wheels. Today, you're about to witness something that will completely redefine how you think about travel. Forget about luxury homes. Forget about five-star hotels because the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is here, and it's nothing short of a rolling 3 million hotel on wheels. From the outside, this beast already commands respect. Sleek lines, futuristic LED lighting accents, and an exterior that looks more like a private jet than a motorhome. But trust me, the real magic happens once you step inside. The moment those automatic doors slide open, you're greeted by pure luxury. The living room view is breathtaking, a wide open space designed like a modern lounge. You'll see oversized leather recliners, a full wraparound sofa with hidden massage functions, a 75-inch smart TV built into the wall, and ambient LED lighting that shifts colors to match your mood. The floor is finished with polished wood, and above you, a starlight-style ceiling that makes you feel like you're in a luxury jet cabin. Large panoramic windows let natural light flood in during the day, while blackout smart shades give you total privacy at night. It's not just a motorhome living room, it's a rolling penthouse suite. Moving into the kitchen, you won't believe this. We're talking full-sized appliances, marble countertops, and smart storage. Solutions that make cooking on the road feel like cooking in a Michelin-starred restaurant. Every detail screams precision and class. Now let's head into the bedroom. This isn't just a place to sleep, it's a sanctuary. A king-sized bed, ambient lighting, hidden storage, and a design that rivals top luxury hotels. And yes, it even has its own entertainment system and climate control, so you can live in absolute comfort. And the bathroom? Forget cramped RV bathrooms. This one features a rainfall shower, heated floors, and high-end finishes that belong in a luxury spa. Imagine waking up, taking a shower, and then stepping out to watch the sunrise, all from your motorhome. But here's where it gets even crazier: the tech. The 2026 Prevost Motorhome is loaded with AI-driven automation. With just a voice command, you can dim the lights, change the temperature, control entertainment, and even adjust the suspension for the smoothest ride possible. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. A moving luxury hotel designed for those who want the best of the best. At 3 million, it's not for everyone, but for those who can afford it. The Prevost isn't just transportation, it's an experience. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself living in the 2026 Prevost Motorhome? Or even taking it on a cross-country adventure? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, welcome to Auto Plus. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible reviews of the world's most luxurious machines. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in style.